Okay, Parumita, start the program.
A very good morning to all present here. On behalf of Department of Applied Electronics and Instrumentation Engineering, Guru Nanak Institute of Technology, under GIS Group of Educational Initiatives, myself, Dr. Parumita Banerjee, welcome you all to the AICTE AQIS sponsored short-term training program STTP Phase 2 on Green IoT for Green Environment. Now let me introduce our college first. Guru Nanak Institute of Technology was established in the year of 2003. The institute offers 6 BTech courses, 2 MTech courses, 2 diploma courses, along with BCA, MCA, and BHM courses, with some of the courses accredited to NBA. The institute is affiliated to Markout, approved by AICTE, and accredited by UGC and NAC. The organizing department, that is Department of Applied Electronics and Instrumentation Engineering, was also established in the year of 2003. The department emphasizes on creating electronics and instrumentation engineers with outstanding technical competency acceptable worldwide to impart research aptitude for the social benefit. Now coming to the STTP. The Internet of Things is an emerging paradigm that has gained popularity in the recent years. Green IoT represents the issue of reducing energy consumption of IoT devices, which leads a path to a sustainable green environment for IoT systems. In recent days, Green IoT is a focused area of research. This STTP Phase 2 aims to give an exposure to the participants in the field of green IoT applications for our smart environment. As per the guidance of the AICTE, the STTP will be conducted in the online mode. Now may I request all the participants, the dignitaries, our respective principals, sir, head of the department, and my fellow colleagues to join the virtual lamp lighting to inaugurate the program. Ma'am, please give me 1 minute time to share my screen.
Okay, Parumita.
So thank you. So thank you all. Now let's start the program with a very inspirational and very heartwarming message from our student to spread hope in all our minds, which we wish will help us tide through this difficult situation. Ma'am, please give me 1 minute time to share the video which has made by our students in this pandemic situation.
হয়তো এসব হওয়ারই ছিল, শান্ত শহর সভ্য হয়েও তো বুঝিনি কেউ কঠিন অসুখ সভ্যতার। আবার যদি সামলে উঠি, সময় যদি সুখের হয়, তৃপ্তি যেন বেঁচে থাকায়, মানব বোমার যুদ্ধে নয়। সেরে ওঠো পৃথিবী, এখনো যে অনেক স্বপ্ন দেখা বাকি, এখনো যে অনেক স্বপ্ন পূরণ হওয়া বাকি।
দেখে নিও ঠিক সেরে যাবে সব, কেটে যাবে ভয় সবার। দেখে নিও ঠিক মোড়ের মাথায় জমে যাবে ভিড় আবার। শুধু সহজ কিছু নিয়ম মেনে চলা যদি যায়, মহামারী চড়া ব্যাধি সব নেবে নেবে বিদায়। এই বাংলা আমার আসবে আবার, এই বাংলা আমার বাঁচবে আবার, এই বাংলা আমার হোক একসাথে আজ আবার, এই বাংলা তোমার আমার।
So thank you all. Hope we will all overcome this difficult situation. Now, may I request our Honorable Principal Sir, Professor Dr. Shantanu Kumar Sen, to address our participants.
Thank you, Paramita. I have a meeting actually, and I am now on the way. So I am very happy that after successful completion of the first phase of STTP, the second phase has been started. And like the previous one, I believe that this program will be carried out very successfully. And the participants who have joined online, the last STTP also it was online, this is also online. And I find these are the things which will keep us busy in doing good things, because as you know that all throughout the world there is a high wave of negativity. So it is very much required that we survive with positivity, and this positivity only helps us to create antibody and in good health. So this is a AICT sponsored program, and I believe that a lot of speakers are there, and in this situation also the participants will have a chance to know the latest technology. And green IoT is a very prominent area and very prominent research area, and after doing these things and studying on that, you have the scope to publish some index papers also. So best of luck to all the participants. Thanks to the organizing committee team members, and my best wishes to all of you. And I wish a very grand success of this program. Thank you very much. Over to
Thank you,
Paramita.
sir.
Thank you, sir. Now, may I request our head of the department, ma'am, Mrs. Bapita Roy to felicitate our principal sir with a virtual flower bouquet. Ma'am, just give me 1 minute time to share my screen.
Sir, this is
Thank you
for
very
you.
much. Thank you. Very nice. Thank you very much.
Okay, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am, and thank you, sir. Now, it is the time to request our head of the department, ma'am, and the coordinator, ma'am, of this STTP, Mrs. Bapita Roy, to address our participants.
Good morning to all of you. Good morning and a very welcome to all the participants from different parts of India. Actually, there are some participants who are basically along with us from the phase 1. Okay, it basically makes us so confident that is they are with us, along with us from the previous phase. And in this phase also, I have seen that is several new participants are basically with us. So we are trying to organize, we are trying to accumulate the eminent speakers, and they are always with us. Basically, from today, we will start the session. In the first and second session, there will be the theoretical session. And one special thing for this phase 2 is that I like to emphasize on that. Basically, in this phase 2, we are basically going to conduct the hands-on session on the online platform. There will be around 6 hands-on session by the Edgate Technologies and by the expert from the industry and by the expert from academics. They will basically show you the hands-on training. They will basically show you to app development from the Green IoT. So these are the specialty of this phase 2. And already our speaker, our today's expert is with us. Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning, sir. And something I want to mention, I will not take much more time. Something I want to mention, some important notes regarding these AICTE guidelines. That is, all the participants are requested to attend the all session. Try to attend the 80% session. It is the mandatory requirement. Then try to give all the quiz. Quiz attendance is mandatory. Then there will be a combined test at the end of the program. There will be a combined test. In the previous case, it happened that is some participants, they attended all the session. They attended some more or less quiz sessions, but they didn't give the combined test. And you have to secure the 60% marks in the combined test. From our side, we will provide the day-to-day lecture material, learning material to all of you in the Google Classroom. The Google Classroom link and the code has already been shared in your registered mail ID. So please join into the Google Classroom. You will get all the informations, all the lecture materials that sent by the experts. We will share with you after the session. And the quiz link will be activated after the session. And attendance link only will be shared in this Zoom platform. So please have a look in the chat box. And hope you enjoy the session. In this pandemic, in this situation, you are come forward to attend the STTP program. Hope we will do our best and welcome you all again in this platform. Welcome. And one thing I want to mention that I am very much thankful to our principal sir, because without his constant support, we will not be able to do this kind of occasion, this kind of programs. So thank you, sir, for your continuous support and your positive energy. So Paramita, please continue the session.
Thank you, ma'am. Now with your permission, can we start our technical session 1?
Paramita, once again, I just end this recording. I will just on the recording again. It is the inauguration program.
Okay.
Just 1 second.
Okay.
1 second.